Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for your advertising agency. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my advertising agency in Facebook lead ads, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And for sending the message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So for this, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I am going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how we can connect with our Facebook leads and how it will help me in growing my business. So this is my Facebook page for my advertising agency, and it is named as Star Advertising Agency. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to connect with my lead, and for that I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my Facebook leads instantly. So as I get a new Facebook lead, I will send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead automatically. So for this, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. And for sending the message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is an official cloud API for WhatsApp by Meta. So for this, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for your advertising agency. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. And I will click on Add New Connection. And I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And here I have already logged in into my Facebook account in the browser. So it has detected that. So I just have to click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs here. First is of page, second one is of lead gen form. Now for selecting this, I have to first go to my Facebook account. So let's go back to Facebook. And in this, I have this Facebook page which is named as Star Advertising Agency. And for the lead generation form, I have to open this menu and I have to open Meta Business Suite. In this, I will go to All Tools and I will open Instant Forms. And in this instant forms, we can see we have these two forms, new contact form and the contact form. So I'm going to use this new contact form. So I'm going to show you this form. So this is my form and I have these details here, first name, last name, email and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here first I have to select my page. So for that I have to open this tab. And in this tab, I have all the pages that are connected with my Facebook account. So in this, I'm going to use Star Advertising Agency. So I'm going to search for my page here, which is Star Advertising Agency. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to select my lead gen form. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the forms that are connected with your Facebook page. And in this, I'm going to use this new contact form. So I'm going to map this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a sample submission and I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live. So for making the sample submission, I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. So for that, I'm going to open Metaphor Developer. In this, I will go to More and I'm going to open Tools here. In Tools, I have to find this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So we are going to use this tool. So I'm going to open this. And in this tool, I have these two options, page and the form. So I have to again select my page here. So I will open this tab and I'm going to select my page here, which is Star Advertising Agency. So this is my page. So I'm going to select this and my form is new contact form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on this preview form button and I'm going to fill a dummy details in my form to create a sample submission. So I'm going to click here. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details in this. So my first name will be demo, last name will be user and my email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com and I have to give a phone number. So here I have to make sure that I give a phone number which is also the WhatsApp number of my lead so that I can send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So I'm going to give a WhatsApp number here. So this is the WhatsApp number and the phone number of my lead. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit and my form is submitted and I have created this new lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. The first name of my lead is demo, last name is user and the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com and we have this phone number. So this is the phone number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now what I need is I need to send an automated WhatsApp message to this particular lead and I'm going to use this phone number for that. So for sending the message, I have to set up my actions tab and I'm going to open this tab. And here for sending the message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is going to be my action application and I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. And I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send template message will be my action event. And now I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect and I will click on add new connection. And to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, you have to give a token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So how we are going to get these details? For that, what you need to do is you need to first set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API. So let me take you there. And here in the API setup, I have all these details for my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now I need an access token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this because this is a temporary access token. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that token here. Now I need the phone number ID. So I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API and here below my phone number, I have this phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this and we have to make sure that we are using the phone number ID, not the phone number. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste my phone number ID here. Similarly, I'm going to get the WhatsApp business account ID. So let's go back. This is my WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. So I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on save and here my connection is successful. Now for sending the message, what I need to do is I have to first select my template. So for that, let me show you my template. So let's go back to WhatsApp Cloud API templates. And here I have all these templates and I'm going to use this Facebook Leads template. And what you need to do here is first you have to create a template and in that template, you have to customize your message that you want to send to your lead and you have to take the approval for your template from Meta. So I'm going to show you my template. So this is my template and it is named as Facebook Leads and we are using English language here. So this is the automated message that I want to send to my Facebook Leads for my advertising agency. So the message is hello and after hello, I have a variable and in this variable, I'm going to put the name of my Facebook lead. And the message is, we have received your lead and our team will contact you very soon and tell you about all our products and offers. Thank you for connecting with us. Regards. So this is going to be my message and you can customize this message according to you and you can send any message that you want. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I have to select my template. So for selecting the template, you have to open this tab And in this, you will find all the templates that are connected with your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And in this, I'm going to use this Facebook Leads template. So I'm going to map this. And my language code is EN, which is for English. And my template ID is already selected here. Now what I need is, I need a recipient mobile number. So in this tab, I have to map the number of my Facebook lead to which I have to send the message. So for that, I'm going to use mapping here. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads. And this is the phone number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I have this body field 1. So what this body field 1 is, this is my variable. So in this body field, what I have to do is I have to map the name of my Facebook lead. So for that, I'm going to click here. I will open this response. And this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. So I have filled all my details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send As Request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to my lead. And to check this, let's open WhatsApp here. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So let me show you this message. So this is my message and it says, hello demo user. So this was the name of my lead. And the message is, we have received your lead and our team will contact you very soon and tell you about all our products and offers. Thank you for connecting with us. Regards. So this was the same message that I have in my template in WhatsApp Cloud API, and I have used that template and have sent an automated WhatsApp message to this particular lead. So here, whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my advertising agency, then automatically I'm sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And here I'm receiving this message. So this is the proof that my connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is working successfully. So whenever I will get a new Facebook lead for my advertising agency, then I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my advertising agency in Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.